Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's the 26th of July and it's a Sunday. I just got back from the salon because I got my nails redone. जो पहले वाले थे वो literally layers जैसे निकल रहे थे. So then I went to the salon. I'm like, bro, I got these 2 days back. What the fuck? And then they're like, अरे don't worry, we're going to redo it for you. So I got a wine color this time. पहले वाला बहुत light हो गया था, कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा था मैंने अपने nails पे कराया है. That's my sister's. That's not mine. Anyway, it's a free Sunday for me today. Everyone at home is doing their own thing. My mom is traveling. My sister is out with her friends and she's supposed to come tomorrow morning because she has a night over scene. My brother has his tuitions and padhai and stuff. He's in class 12. And my father is studying, which is what he likes to do after a full week of work. On a free Sunday, he likes to study. So he's planning to publish a research paper. So he's working on that, which is so cool. I was supposed to meet a friend in the day, but hamara plan nahi bana. So I'm just doing stuff by myself today. I got an embroidery kit from this website called Not Your Type on Instagram. It's such an SUPW thing to do. मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है stitching and all करना, but I'll see. इसमें tutorials and all दिए हुए हैं. So you basically like do different types of stitches on this, and you're supposed to make this entire thing like sew करके. I'll see if I can do this. If not, I'll ask my grandmom for some help. उसके अलावा क्या, I'm planning to take him in the evening for a walk, like not his regular walk, but a walk at the park. बट मुझे पता है इतना आलसी है ये, 20 मिनट वॉक करेगा, 20 मिनट भी नहीं करेगा और ये लेट जाएगा वहां पे, he'll get tired. But it's just really hot and humid outside. I finally started watching a show. And कल मैंने क्या करा, मैं बहुत बोर हो रही थी तो मैंने चैट जीपीटी को बोला कि यार अभी मेरी लाइफ में ये हो रहा है, मतलब मेरे को इमोशनली ये फील हो रहा है, सो यू रेकमेंड अ शो अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ है और उस इडियट चैट जीपीटी ने मुझे रोम कॉम रेकमेंड कर दिया है और मैंने बिना डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़े आई वाज लाइक ओके यू नो व्हाट, आई ट्रस्ट यू. और मैंने वो रोम कॉम शुरू कर दी. इट्स कॉल्ड नोबडी वांट्स दिस. इट्स अ टीवी शो ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. It's so cute. It's about a guy and a girl who are from completely different backgrounds. The guy is a rabbi and the girl is an American blonde independent woman, and now they're getting to know each other and they're falling in love. And I feel like मैं पहले बहुत deny करती थी that no, rom-coms are not for me, but I feel like I'm definitely into rom-coms, okay, because I love love. Like I love the feeling of love. I love falling in love. It's so adorable. And I've always pictured myself surrounded with love in my life, you know, in every aspect, whether it's my companion or friends or whoever. So yeah, I'm 5 episodes into that, which is a very big deal because I'm somebody जिसको तुम एक मूवी या टीवी शो में क्लिफ हैंगर पे छोड़ दोगे बट मैं फिर भी बंद कर दूंगी. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि उस मूवी का सबसे इंटेंस पार्ट आने वाला है. इफ आई एम नॉट इनटू इट, इफ आई एम नॉट फीलिंग इट, आई जस्ट बी लाइक आई डोंट केयर. और मुझसे ना ज्यादा सस्पेंस सस्पेंस हैंडल भी नहीं होता. अगर मेरे पास ऑप्शन है कि मैं देख सकती हूँ कि एंड में क्या होने वाला है तो मैं देख लूंगी. दैट इज वाई आई फील लाइक आई प्रेफर वॉचिंग स्टफ एट द सिनेमा हॉल इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. और ये मैंने रियलाइज करा था, पता है, जब हम केसरी 2 देख रहे थे. तो इन दैट मूवी, सो आई डोंट नो इफ यू वॉच्ड इट, इट्स अबाउट द जालियांवाला बाग मैसेकर. एंड उसमें द इंडियन लॉयर्स आर बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू टेल द ब्रिटिश इन कोर्ट, they're trying to prove it in court that you did a fucking hideous and brutal job, so you better take accountability and fuck off from our country. बट वो नहीं कर पा रहे होते बिकॉज यू नो द कोर्ट इज अगेन रूल्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश. तो बहुत मैन्युपुलेशन हो रहा है ऑफ एविडेंस, दिस दैट. एंड एकदम एंड तक उनके पास वो नहीं जीत रहे होते इन कोर्ट. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक अरे भाई इंटरवल खत्म हो गया, अब तो 1 घंटा हो गया इंटरवल खत्म होते, अब तो जीत जाओ, अब तो जीत जाओ, प्लीज प्लीज. ओके, एंड मुझे लगता है अगर मैं ये नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख रही होती तो मैं एंड तक देख लेती कि एंड में क्या होता है. फिर मैं पूरा मूवी एकदम शांति से देखती कि हाँ एंड में तो हो ही जाएगा, एंड में तो हो ही जाएगा, इनका एंड में देखो नो विन नो. So I'm like that. या मैं fact check कर लेती हूँ, you know, if it's like a movie based on real life stuff, so I'll fact check it and then I'll know कि अच्छा ठीक है, end में तो यही होता है तो वो यही दिखा रहे होंगे. So this Nobody Wants This TV show is very nice, अभी तक. I'll give you more updates about it. I just hope I am interested in it till the end and I watch it. वो शीप डिटेक्टिव तो मैंने नहीं देखा वैसे, जो मैं पिछली वीडियो में तुम्हें बता रही थी कि मैं देखने वाली हूँ. I didn't watch it. So yeah, I will probably have lunch, then I'll do this, and then I will take him for a walk if he is in the mood, and if I'm in the mood, and if the weather is supportive. If not, I will just be in bed, I'll order good food, and I'll watch my TV show, and I'll call it a Sunday. So, this, and then there's this guide. So, there are different types of stitches that you need to do, and on the numbers like there, and then there's QR that you can scan to watch video tutorials. And they've also given like ऐसे वाला ट्यूटोरियल, बट इससे तो मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आने वाला, मुझे पता है. एंड देन देयर इज दिस वेरी क्यूट cutter, and there are these threads that are different colors. So yeah, मैं अपने स्कूल के SUPW पीरियड में घुस चुकी हूँ. I just called for some stuff from H&M, just like 3 regular t-shirts and 1 top. T-shirt number 1, t-shirt number 2. Oh my god, these stink for some reason. They're smelling of petrol. T-shirt number 3. Okay, they're actually smelling disgusting. ऐसा लगता है जो फ्लाइट के अंदर जो घुसते और जैसी गंदी स्मेल आती है ना, वैसी स्मेल आ रही है. Flight stink.
This does not smell like that. It smells like rotten food.
Yuck.
Maybe.
And a very simple, cute bodysuit. I'm keeping all of them, but they need to go in for a wash like right now. Guys, my sister is celebrating her birthday and she wants me to sponsor her what nails.
हाँ तुम्हारा बजट इतना ही है ना.
You're so fucking mean. Stop looking down upon a broke person.
Coffee of my dreams.
भाई अगर एक फर्स्ट कॉफ़ी के ऑर्डर से कोई इतना खुश हो सकता है, या यू जस्ट नीड ओवरप्राइज्ड कॉफ़ी टू बी हैप्पी.
It's not even overpriced.
It is very overpriced. Oh my god, this is finally complete. I love how it's looking. ये रोज़ का थोड़ा सा यहाँ से निकल रहा है. But yeah, the back looks like a mess right now, which my grandmom is gonna fix for me. But yeah, this is really nice. I had a lot of fun doing it. And the best part is that it wasn't that difficult because these guys have such good tutorials here. Tutorials through this QR, like video tutorials. And they also have everything mentioned and explained. So it really makes this process easy and there's nothing that you have to figure out. It's just like you understand and then you do it. And I loved it. I'm gonna order one more for myself.
Don't come after me, okay? It's only gonna make it harder.
Hello, I'm just going back home after my singing class. It was my second class today. I'm really focused more on the ukulele. It's difficult, dude. Like, how do you press the frets and also strum at the same time and sing? But it's fun. I'm liking it. शंभू अंकल हाय बोलो. कॉफ़ी चाहिए भाई. Let's do a taste test. Wow, 10 on 10. I'm at peace. My soul is happy. The AC is blasting. I've made myself a fab coffee. All my classes are done for the day. I'm gonna get my blanket. I'm gonna cuddle in and I'm gonna watch Nobody Wants This. This is what I love about being self-employed. You can take a back seat and chill on a random Thursday afternoon, or you can work your ass off on a Sunday. Nobody's gonna know. And nobody's gonna care as long as all your work is done.
I'm so glad you finally said that out loud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Am I a bad person?
No. You're just a person.
Guys, what is this? It's my blanket, right? Viru? Viru, where are you? Oh, of course. How is it being a burrito and sleeping little boy? So, I told you I'm renting out a workspace, right? I've got all of this stuff for it. So, let's unbox it together. Starting with a pack of 3 resistance band. This is the light, medium and heavy. I got this like decor thing to hang on the wall, but ये तो इतना मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कैसे. Okay, fine. This is.
One eternity later.
Oh, okay. I see it. I see it. But it's kind of ugly, no? I think I should return it. We have a pull-up bar जो खुल नहीं पा रहा मुझसे. So I'll have to order new decor. मतलब I'll just order one thing. मेरे एक frames आने बाकी है. So I had ordered. Oh, Viru. हाँ, तो basically मुझे अभी decor order करना है नया. And I have to quickly take a shower because after that I have a lecture to attend. I signed up for one of the lectures organized by Unlecture, which is this page on Instagram. You can check. They're quite famous actually. This is my first one that I've signed up for. It's at 7 p.m. so I need to quickly get ready. I also have a call with the studio right before going, right? Right. There's this particular way in which my dog likes to sit on my hand. Like, I don't know how is this comfortable, and why he always gets into this position specifically, and he doesn't even turn to the other side, like always on the right. I am on my way to the lecture. I just got a fresh blow dry. I don't know if you could tell with my hair, you could just never tell. I'm wearing the shirt, trouser shorts and Vans. I'm really excited. The lecture was so good. I came back home a while ago. So the lecturer was an IIM professor who teaches journalism and media. And she spoke about a lot of things, like she spoke about the narratives that media sells us, like how advertisements, movies, etc. shape our opinion of a lot of things. She drew parallels about movies and how characters that are shown a certain way have real life implications also. I'll give you an example. So, you know how in Bollywood movies rape victims को एक तरीके से ही दिखाया जाता है. And everything that is shown is true, but then they're only shown in a particular way. Like they're shown from just one lens of that they're very sad, they're distressed, they're hurt, all of those things, and all of them are true. But iske real life implications ye hai that she mentioned a few high court and even one Supreme Court case in India, jisme the judge and so the Supreme Court judge was not being able to believe that the girl is a rape victim because she was calm. Because she was she looked composed on the outside, and we're not used to that. So we spoke about all of that, and it was really nice. And then you know how there was another high court case jisme the girl I think wasn't wounded or something, which is why the judge couldn't really make out whether she's a rape victim or not. Imagine, like itne extent tak hamare opinions are influenced by society. You know how like Dalit people or people from scheduled caste, scheduled tribes are shown in a certain way. You know, they're shown to be wearing shabby clothes and you know, to be doing low income jobs, probably like sweepers, cleaners. They're shown in all of those roles. किसी भी दलित इंसान के accomplishments को नहीं दिखाया जाता on you know, television or mainstream media. And how that sort of shapes how we look at people. कि नहीं ये इंसान तो मतलब ऐसा ही दिखेगा ना. Like we spoke a lot about rapists and how rapists also have this like certain kind of imagery. If I ask you to imagine a rapist, sorry, like this is getting a little intense, but if I ask you to imagine a rapist, you will imagine a stranger, like a random stranger walking in the alley and like creeping you out, and that's how you will imagine a rapist, right? You will never imagine a rapist in your family. But so many or most of the rape cases that happen in India are, मतलब उनमें जो rapists होते हैं, the perpetrators are people who the rape victim knows. You know, neighbors, teachers, sometimes people in the family, immediate family. तो basically ऐसे क्या narratives हमें sell करे जा रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे opinions इतने one pointed है about a particular thing is what we spoke about, and how like we can undo this, and how we can, like obviously one person can't undo it, but then how we can question this. People were sharing things about movies or like different point of views जो उनके दिमाग में, like things that were ringing a bell in their head, and the things that rang a bell in my head were यू नो रॉकी रानी की प्रेम कहानी. तो जब वो मूवी रिलीज हुई थी तो घर पे सबने देखा एंड हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी, एंड उसके बाद हमने यही डिस्कस करा, एंड लाइक आई अग्रीड टू वट एवर द डिस्कशन वॉज. आई सेड दैट या ऐसी ही मूवीज है जो इंडिया में चेंज ला सकती है, यू नो, बिकॉज देर बैलेंस, सबको खुश रखने वाली मूवीज है, बट ऑल्सो लाइक दे हैव अ मीनिंग एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. बट देन आई फील लाइक दैट वॉज ऑल्सो सो इट वॉज पोर्ट्रेड इन अ वे कि वो हमें जो प्रिडिक्टेबल चीज़ें दिखती है वो उसको भी केटर कर रहा है, and thoda sa like it's tapping on to the external world, but then it's coming back to predictability, and then thoda sa it's tapping on and then coming back to predictability. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I feel like if Alia Bhatt in that movie was a little bit more woke or a little bit more loud, which is something that she was allowed to be, लेकिन उसके कैरेक्टर को भी उन्होंने इतना मोल्ड कर दिया था कि वो उस पेट्रियार्कल रॉकी रंधावा के फैमिली में भी सेटल हो पाए, और उधर वो बिना लैश आउट करे एकदम पीसफुली अच्छी बहू की तरह वो वहाँ चेंज लाए. So like, yeah, just good things to think about, right? And I feel like this is going to be a weekly thing for me, which I'm happy about. Anyway, that's it for this vlog, I guess. I started it on Sunday. उसके बाद मुझे नहीं पता मैंने कब कब क्या क्या रिकॉर्ड करा है. But yeah, I hope you have a good rest of the week and I hope you have a good weekend. See you. Take care.